Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone, and before we start I would like to mention that not all items on AliExpress support such discounts using your coins. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. So I go to item, and if I scroll down I can see here that it says extra 1% off with coins. So that means that I can use my coins to get a discount for this item. But some items on AliExpress do not support such discounts. For example, this item, you see that here is no line that says extra % off with coins, and I will not be able to use my coins to get a discount for this item. Okay, so let's go back to item that does support it and go to checkout page. And here, if I scroll down to summary section and see saved line and tap here, I will see that I have used 1 coin for this item to get my discount. And if I tap here again, I can see an option to not use any coins this time, but of course I will use my coins because I want to get my discount. So as you have seen, I did absolutely nothing, and AliExpress automatically deducted amount of coins that are eligible for this item. So if I go to this item, for example, I will see that it suggests me extra 5% off with coins. So actually sellers on AliExpress decided themselves which amount of discount they can offer you. So if we go to checkout page for this specific item and scroll to saved section, you can see that it gave me 15 cents off, and that's really good. And I have used 15 coins for this item. So that's basically how you can use coins on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.